Non-functional requirements, or NFRs, are critical for operations teams because they define how a system behaves in the real world. While functional requirements describe what the software does, NFRs explain how well it performs, how secure it is, and how reliable it remains under pressure. For operations teams responsible for uptime and stability, NFRs serve as the guardrails that prevent chaos in production environments. One of the biggest benefits of NFRs for operations is improved system reliability. When reliability requirements are clearly defined, like uptime targets or failure recovery expectations, ops teams can build monitoring and redundancy strategies ahead of time. This reduces unexpected outages and helps teams maintain service-level commitments without scrambling during incidents. NFRs also make scalability predictable. Operations teams often face traffic spikes or sudden growth. With clear scalability requirements, they can design infrastructure that handles peak loads without overprovisioning. This leads to smoother releases and prevents emergency scaling decisions that can be costly or risky. Performance optimization is another key advantage. Non-functional requirements that define response time or throughput, they allow operations teams to tune infrastructure early. Instead of reacting to slow systems after deployment, teams can actually benchmark and optimize environments proactively. This really shifts operations from firefighting to performance engineering. Security is heavily driven by non-functional requirements, and operations teams benefit directly from well-defined security expectations. Requirements around encryption, access control, and compliance, they guide how environments are configured and maintained. This just reduces security gaps and ensures operational practices align with governance standards. Non-functional requirements also improve observability and monitoring. When availability, latency, and error thresholds are specified, operations teams know exactly what to measure. This clarity helps them implement meaningful dashboards and alerts instead of generic monitoring that generates noise without insight. Another operational benefit is faster incident response. NFRs define acceptable thresholds and recovery goals like recovery time objective and recovery point objective. With these targets in place, operations teams can design runbooks and automation that actually reduce downtime and improve recovery speed during outages. NFRs help standardize environments across teams. When quality attributes like availability, maintainability, and security are documented, operations teams can build reusable infrastructure templates. This consistency reduces configuration drift and really simplifies multi-environment management across staging, testing, and production. Cost control is also improved through NFR clarity. Operations teams often balance performance and budget constraints. NFRs provide clear targets that prevent over-engineering or under-provisioning. This allows teams to right-size infrastructure and make smarter cloud cost decisions while still meeting expectations. Collaboration improves when NFRs are clearly defined. Operations teams often sit between development, security, and business stakeholders. NFRs create a shared language around reliability, performance, and risk. This alignment reduces friction and ensures everyone understands operational trade-offs before release. Finally, NFRs enable proactive operations instead of reactive support. When operational qualities are defined early, teams can design automation, monitoring, and resilience strategies from the start. This, in turn, transforms operations from a support function into a strategic partner that ensures systems run smoothly, scale confidently, and deliver consistent user experiences.